Hi, are you interested in learning functional medicine to better understand the root cause of your patient's chronic conditions? Maybe you're interested in learning functional medicine because you want to help them to optimize their health and improve their function. Or maybe you're interested in learning functional medicine to establish your own practice and offer comprehensive care to your patients. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 6 tips on how to make sure that a functional medicine program is the best fit for you. There's typically 2 reasons why most practitioners are interested in functional medicine. The first one is the root cause, and that's really to better understand what's driving the disease pathway. So instead of just prescribing medication, sending the patient home, while unfortunately many of them, those patients, continue to progress, develop more conditions or more complications, they want to better understand the root cause and offer comprehensive care that also allows patients to improve their health and optimize their function. This not only helps them with their specific condition, but also helps them to reduce the risk of developing complications, other diseases, and also helps them to feel better and have a better quality of life. The second reason why is many practitioners want to own their own practice, right? And this is really one of the unique offers that functional medicine provide to us, because it allows you to offer a service that other medical practitioners in your city or community do not offer. This is where you get to talk to patients, go deeper, connect with them, and really help them in a much more meaningful way to achieve their health goals. And when you own your own practice, we have a whole business training that goes with the functional approach. But essentially, the average cost for functional medicine sessions in the US is $450 per session. A lot of our graduates, when they first starting, they just charge $150. They want to make it more affordable for patients. So the simplest calculation is $150 per session, and you do that times 10 sessions a week. That equals to $75,000 a year. And this is just 10 sessions, just 10 sessions a week, right? It's pretty straightforward to calculate, and you can go all the way to $200,000, $300,000, $400,000. We've seen some practices that have 7 figures incomes from functional medicine. So just to give you an idea about what's possible out there. So let's dive into the 6 tips on how to pick the best functional medicine for you. The first question you want to ask is, what is the program's focus? There are different types of focuses on the functional medicine approach. Most programs are theoretical. Right? I went through one of those programs, and while it was very interesting, there was a lot of discussion on the pathophysiological mechanisms. There's a lot of discussion on the philosophy of functional medicine. This might be a really good place for anybody who's a scholar, a teacher, or a researcher, right? That might be really beneficial. Our program is not a good fit for individuals who are looking for that. There are other programs that do that better than us. And then there are programs that are focuses on academic. And academic means that essentially that you're writing a lot of papers, there's hours and hours of research review. The third type of program is the clinical. And the clinical is where you focus on the functional medicine labs. Like our program teaches you all the essential functional medicine labs and beyond, like epigenetic labs and neurotransmitters and nutritional deficiencies. Like we teach you all of those essential labs. And then there's a strong focus on treatment protocols, which is what clinicians use when they're working with patients, right? So that's a very essential part of the focus. And if you're interested in clinical application, then our program is going to be a better fit for you, because that's really what we do best. The second question you want to ask yourself, does the program include nutritional and herbal medicine? Now, why is that important? One, because it's really hard to get meaningful changes in someone's health if they keep eating inflammatory foods or food that causes oxidative stress and more damage. The second reason is because statistically, 7 out of 10 adults in the United States are taking supplements and looking for natural solutions for their chronic conditions. And you want to be the person that will provide them that evidence-based approach and guidance. The third reason is because herbs and nutritional compounds are powerful tools to create physiological change in the patient's body. And it's important to mention that 40% of drugs are actually derived from plants, right? For example, aspirin is actually from willow bark. So these are powerful tools that you want to know, especially when you want to address the root cause. The third question you want to ask yourself is the program including special topics? For example, beyond learning about the root cause, will I learn specifically about metabolic conditions? For example, a patient with diabetes comes to see you. What are the top 3 supplements, nutritional and herbal, you can use to improve their insulin resistance, to improve pancreatic function? Patient comes to see you with chronic pain. What are the top 2 or 3 supplements you can recommend them for reducing their inflammation, right? A patient comes to see you with thyroid issues. What are the specific supplements, nutritional herbal protocols, or specific questions or labs that you might order for somebody with hypothyroidism? What do you do if they have high amounts of antibodies, right? What type of nutritional protocols can you use for that? So we have specific classes on geriatric, women's health, men's health, specific about chronic pain, neurodegenerative conditions, mood disorders, right? Patient comes to see you with depression and anxiety. Now what? Which type of supplements, nutrients you can use to help those patients? And we teach you all of that in our program. The fourth thing you want to ask yourself, is the program self-paced? Why is that? Because you have a busy schedule. We all have busy schedules. You might have family matters you might to attend. You want work full time, right? So you want to make sure that you can take your time and you can just log in whenever you want and watch the classes, right? So this is really beneficial because our program is 100% self-paced and 100% online, right? So we are always there with you 24/7. And beyond that, we have coaching calls, we have live trainings you can hop on, right? But everything is 100% self-paced. Gives you the flexibility that you want. The fifth question you want to ask yourself is the program updated on a regular basis? So I've went through 2 programs that were good programs a few years ago in functional medicine, but the material in one of the programs have not been updated in 15 years. It didn't even show some of the labs, the new labs that are now becoming the standard of care in functional medicine, like the GI 360 or NutraEval, right? So it's just because it's so outdated, some of the material is no longer very applicable. And you have to remember that there are 1.8 million new studies coming out every year, right? So you want to make sure that you get the most current information and most updated information when you go through these programs. And that's what we do. We actually invest in, we have medical researchers, clinicians that are practicing, and we get to you the most current and updated information. Last question you want to ask yourself, which is very important, does the program include a practice building? This is critical, especially if you want to learn how to better integrate functional medicine into primary care or into your profession, right? We have multiple practitioners going into the program, nurse practitioners, physicians from different specialties, PAs, pharmacists. So they want to know, how do I integrate it into my specialty and how do I build my own practice? More importantly, how do I actually make money and have more freedom by helping more people, right? How do I automate my practice, right? How do I avoid critical mistakes that I've made during the first 7 years of my practice, right? And how do I set a course to be successful? And that's something that a lot of programs don't offer, unfortunately. And we have a proven system and strategies. You can check out some of our graduate stories on how they went from out of the hospital with zero business experience now to having a full-time, their own practice that they enjoy working with. So that's something we offer, and of course, that's something that will be very valuable. And then as a bonus question you want to ask yourself is this program designed for medical professionals or is it open to everybody? The reason you want to ask that is because a program that is open to everybody will typically teach functional medicine in a more fundamental level, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but for healthcare practitioners and medical professionals, we really want you to get the advanced level training. And it's hard for us to get into the advanced level training with diving into the biomarkers, the mechanisms, and the advanced clinical nutrition with somebody that does not have a solid foundation in biomedical sciences and have experience with healthcare, right? So that's why if you're a healthcare professional, go into the advanced programs and ask, is this program only open to healthcare practitioner or anybody can join? And if anybody can join, then it's more likely a coaching program. And not to say that those are bad, some of those are good, but there might not be the level of training that you're looking for. So again, ask those 6 questions. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you, educate you a little bit more, get you more information. Also check out our new functional medicine mini class that is free. Check it out on our website and watch some of our video trainings in functional medicine. My name is Tal. I'm the Educational Director at the American Academy of Functional Health. I look forward to helping you to grow your practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.